Hi, Prof. Yasmin.
Hi, Sarah. Sit down, please. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thanks. Yourself?
I'm good.
So, what was it that you wanted to see me about?
Sarah, do you know what plagiarism is?
Well, yeah, it's when you put a citation at the bottom of the page for the work that you're handing in.
Yes and no. Did you write this essay or did you copy it from the internet?
Well, I copied it from the internet.
Sarah, that's plagiarism.
Well, I cited it, and it's just that I couldn't write anything better myself, and I wanted to get a really good mark, so I borrowed from somebody else.
Putting a random citation at the bottom doesn't mean that you wrote your own work. You have to write it without the help of the internet.
But this is a French paper, and French isn't my first language, so I borrowed it from somebody else so that I could still get a good grade.
But I can't give you a good grade if you didn't write it yourself. I'm gonna have to ask you to write it again.
But I don't know how.
Well, I always have my office hours and I can help you write this essay. Will you come?
Yeah,